Let's set up the ULANZI desktop overhead ring light stand. The assembly process was straightforward and it was very easy to install. So while you're watching me put it together, I'll be providing some product details and pros and cons. This has an anti-slip base, a 180-degree adjustable ring light that is also dimmable, and that part will be shown later on in the video. You can move it forward and backward. Using the knob on the side, you can move the adjustable 360-degree shooting arm up, down, left, right, front, and back. The 360-degree rotatable phone holder is compatible with phones between 2.4 inches to 3.7 inches. The ring light is USB powered. One of my favorite features is that you can use it for horizontal or vertical shooting. My only con is that you can't adjust the stand to be taller, but it is a desktop stand. It did grip my phone pretty well, and you can use it as a 10-inch selfie stick. There's also a screw hole to attach accessories. The ring light has 10 brightness adjustments. Push the top plus sign to brighten the light. Push the minus sign on the bottom to dim the light. The right button is the timer, and the left button is to change the light modes. There's neutral, cool, and warm. I love that this was easy to use and provides quality lighting for my videos. This is with the ring light off, and this is with it on. And here's a side-by-side picture with the top off, bottom on.